Say, where are we at right now?
In Pizza
Wait, where?
In Pizza Factory.
Pizza Hut.
Pizza Hut, and I got that too.
Yeah. Hey, we're gonna eat right there, right?
Yeah.
So, what'd you do today? You can't say I don't know. You have to say something.
Oh, I used the holiday, and you know I got a toy, guys.
Oh yeah, show them the toy.
I got a cutter. It's a bouncy.
But you didn't show them right there. That camera right there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they got cool, and you can bounce. Okay,
Yeah.
and that's this time. Okay, so I got my chairs today, guys.
One more back.
Nice taste.
And what are you gonna do for today?
Pizza gochi.
What?
Pizza gochi.
Bro, I don't understand you. What are you saying?
Pizza gochi.
What's that? Oh, okay. So
The time is going to be up.
no, it's still running.
Okay.
You don't gotta. I have storage still. You ain't gotta worry about that.
Okay, guys. This is my oven. Okay, you know he has some
Beer.
beer, and he has some cool here. Because her back is so cool.
Okay.
And I saw this, so I got the version.
Yeah, look at that. Aww,
And then you
so
can change
cute.
color. You can change color.
Wow.
Guys, and you can change the other one. But you know he's sleeping like her eyes like this, her eyes are like this, and he has a phone.
Aww, so cute.
And we are sure today.
Aww.
And he's a little tiny baby. Guys, if you want to like subscribe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and that's all. Bye!
No, we're not finished yet. We have to eat. We have to eat first. We have to eat. No, stop. We have to eat first, and then we say bye. Okay? We gotta wait for our food.
Okay, so guys, so we're gonna buy pizza today, yeah?
Wait, what'd you buy?
A little pizza?
Say a personal pan pizza.
A regular pound pizza?
Personal
Personal.
pan
Pan.
pan.
Pizza.
Hey,
Pan.
pizza.
Pizza.
That's so.
Pan pizza.
That's so.
I
And
got,
it's, what did I get?
you get a chicken double.
Yeah, chicken wings. Say chicken wings.
So my oven's got chicken wings.
Yeah. Oh, they can't see. Remember. So
Okay, guys.
you gotta like, you know.
Okay, guys. So this is me, Magali.
So tell us about you, Magali. What do you want to be when you grow up?
Okay, I want to be a dancer today.
She wants to be a dancer. Okay.
And which one to be?
Like ballerina or what?
I want to be Delta Dam.
You want to be a TikToker dancer or what?
What's the dam?
Okay. I think I get you. So. Sing it again.
Guys, this is so cold. It's actually cold. I'm not.
Yeah, this is actually cold for you, huh? I usually don't get ice, bro, but.
We're gonna breathe it.
So. What? Oh yeah. Have you seen the chickens yet? Tell them about your chicken.
I don't see my chicken yet because you remember I got a bunny. Because last I don't got a bunny and I'm so sad. I want a bunny.
You want bunny? We're just waiting for our food right now, right? Right? We're waiting for our food.
No, Daddy. We're waiting for you to get your food. Okay, guys. We're toast over. Okay.
Say something. You have to say something to keep them entertained because they're not gonna watch.
Okay, so guys, so my little always want to show you something what she have in my little pocket thing.
Oh, again? Oh, okay.
Guys, because you can one more time and yeah, please one more time. And he got the basket look good, you know what you do?
Yeah, look at that. Wow.
Okay, there you are. Wait, I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna put it.
Put it away there. Okay. There. Say something else.
Okay, so we have
Hey,
two.
tell them about tell them about your cow.
Okay, so my cow, he just said like meh, meh.
Don't be so loud.
Sorry,
Don't be so loud.
Okay, sorry. Okay, so he said meh. Okay, so this is my little pinky. And then they're like, oh, your pinky did that. And look, one, so I got my finger dust up, and I got my finger dust up, and last. And I want to show you magic, and I get behind right here.
Oh, the finger for Hammer, right?
Yeah, and right here I can stay like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can always do magic tricks.
Magic trick?
Yeah,
Let me see. Let me see. Do a magic trick.
Guys,
Let me see.
so guys, and I go right here. Woo, woo. I can do this.
That is not a magic trick. What are you on?
Okay,
my
now
darling?
you get that by you.
Hey.
Okay, now so like I can make magic and I make a pizza drizzle.
Yeah, say look, we're at Pizza Hut.
We're gonna Pizza Hut, guys.
Say we're just waiting for our food.
Never mind our food, guys. Because I just kidding. I tricked you, sorry.
Huh?
I said I tricked you, sorry.
It's okay.
I was tricking you, but I'm sorry, guys. It was an accident.
Yeah, it was on accident.
Okay, guys.
How old are you? Tell them how old you are.
5.
5? Okay.
And look, I was showing what you got.
Orange Crush.
Yeah, orange catch. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back. Go back where we are. Okay,
Huh?
guys. So I said go back.
Oh, my bad. Let's see. A little bit more like.
So you go, go back. Okay, guys. So and I put this.
No, just leave it there.
That's trying to be basic.
Leave it there.
Okay, guys. Oh,
Don't be so loud.
Daddy. Okay, look.
Don't be so loud.
I can make this appear. Magic.
Dude, what are you on, amor?
Yes, it.
Huh? Hey, are you ready for kindergarten? Are you ready to go on the bus? Are you gonna be scared? Don't be scared, eh? I don't want you crying, eh? You're bigger, okay, amor? Say, please hurry. Oh,
Where's my little pizza?
right there, amor.
Aw, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys. So look at my pizza, guys. So look at the camera, guys. Okay, so look, I got a little pizza. It's a tiny piece, like every minute. It's a tiny
Oh, here, let's see.
pizza. There. Ta-da! Ta-da! And you want to see all the guys? Ta-da! Hey guys.
Alright.
So we're going to eat our pizza before we make it cold.
Put this one. Come more closer. Amor. Like right here.
Okay, good. Now time to eat. But first we have to wait for it to get cold.
Yeah, a little bit.
We have the only thing. What's the only thing? Our two.
Huh? What are you doing? I'm blowing your pizza. Just smell it. Hey, look, smell it. Smell it. Yeah.
Here's another.
Okay, chill out, buddy. Alright, chill out.
I know it's gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. I think I'm honestly almost gonna cry. God, that's okay.
You're almost gonna cry.
Yeah, I'm almost. I gotta stop crying. I'm always gonna cry. Okay, guys, the time is going now. Then, who's gonna make the better pizza Eddie makes, guys? Gonna make the better pizza, guys.
You make sure it's not too long, okay? God, this is so hard.
We gotta see how to take a picture today.
Is it hot? You want some meat?
Okay, guys. My own is gonna show you. I'm gonna show you Mexican. My own gonna show you Mexican. Close your eyes, guys. Close your eyes. You did it like that.
Is it good?
Now it's hard.
Hot. It's hot. It's so hot.
No. No.
You like that more? Okay, calm down, calm down. excuse me real quick. I'm gonna go order something else. I'm gonna you know, real quick. Okay, come back in. I'm ordering from the grocery store, okay? Right here. Sit down. I'm ordering from the grocery store.
Are you going to leave?
No, I'm not gonna leave you.
Where are you going? I want to get some.
You just come over there and I'll sit here. Okay?
I'm going to switch food.
No, we're not gonna switch food. That's your food. This is my food.
You want my food? Okay.
Siente bien. Siente bien, Magali. How you like it so far? Good, good? You don't eat the crust? Get out the crust? Why don't you like it? Huh? You don't like it?
Oh wait! Should have like we could got a picture. Okay, we got a picture. So there's this one, there's one, there's this one. And this one. Okay. So look at the background, like oh, it's just which of the this is what you like. So don't forget to like, subscribe, thumbs up, and the other video. Come on, so hit that. Bye.
No, not yet. You haven't finished eating. You gotta remember.
You go mama.
20 minutes? 20 minutes, bruh. 20 minutes.
It's not 20 minutes.
This dude. Oh, well, it's about to be 20 minutes. It's about to be 20 minutes. Huh? And then after this, we're gonna go to the house.
What's it thinking?
Huh?
Make it the airport. I want the airport.
Yeah.
Are you crack?
Huh?
The crack?
My phone?
No, the aircraft.
Oh, I don't think so. I don't know yet. Because we're gonna go to the house and I need to wash my clothes. and then we're gonna go to the cabin. So you can help me put a door for the chicken house, and then we'll put the chickens in there.
But these are for the dog.
No, that's a chicken.
I know.
The dogs don't have a house. They just like go anywhere. They're just outside. You know? Dang, you like it, huh? Magali, why do you like pepperoni on the small pizza but not on the big pizza?
Because it's too high up. Because I don't want it. Because I want it hot. And I cannot float like the and make me the hot is hard because it don't work.
Oh yeah.
I want a little pizza.
I understand. I understand. You like it? Yeah, the little.
Okay.
You're done? You're done, you're done, okay, amor?
Okay, guys, so you want to like subscribe? Don't forget to like, subscribe. Bye, guys.
Wait, you have to eat it at the raise.
No!
Sit down. Come on, dude. Tell them to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
But tell them to them. Don't be over here. Tell them.
Okay, yeah, wait.
Alright.
Okay, guys.
Wait. Tell me how you're gonna say it.
Okay, guys. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and subscribe to our video.
No. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn off the notification.
Like and subscribe and stay always patient.
Notification.
No penetration.
Alright, I say it.
Okay, guys. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and
You forgot already.
I did.
Well, again.
No.
Like and subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification.
Like, subscribe,
But louder though.
like and subscribe.
Not that loud.
Loud and silent animation.
Yeah.
Okay, go.